Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's yours truly, Jen. Today at Dorjes, it's Christmas market day. I organize this event every year, a week, sometimes 2 weeks before Christmas. Oh, and look who's here. Hello, Robin.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good, how are you, Jenny?
Thank you.
Thank you for the
coming.
invite. We saw it and we came down.
Oh,
right?
thank you so much for
Merry
coming.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you. Did you find anything? Yes.
Yeah, we
got some
found
stuff?
lemon tarts. Found
Lemon tart.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Bye.
Take care. Bye. The purpose of this event is to give our local artisans and small businesses a platform to showcase their products. If you haven't been to the Christmas market yet, I urge all of you, I request all of you to come to the Christmas market and support our small businesses, the individuals who work so hard to make their beautiful, beautiful products. Namaste, Vishnu Didi.
हजुर
तपाईको प्रोडक्ट्सको बारे अलिकति भनिदिनुस्
ए
न।
यो प्रोडक्ट्सहरु हाम्रो कास्की कारागारका दिदी बहिनीहरुले बनाएको हो मैले युट्युबमा डिजाइनहरु उतारेर उनीहरुलाई लैदिन्छ मेटेरियलहरु लैदिन्छ र यति राम्रो सामानहरु तयार गरेको छ यहाँ हामी दोर्जेज बार एन्ड ग्रिलमा टेबल दिएर यहाँ प्रदर्शन गर्ने मौका पाएको छु थ्यांक यू सो मच ल
So this is Anjani. Anjani, what do you have today?
So we have some plants on the sale today, and today we're doing a small fundraiser for HEART, which is Himalayan Animal Rescue Trust, and we basically work for street dogs. And we are hoping that we are able to raise some funds for the street dogs of Pokhara today. So
Awesome.
thank you, Jen, for this opportunity.
Hello, Mangal Bhai.
Namaste.
Namaste. It's Madhav Dai from Madhav Bakery. Dai, what's your special today? What's your special?
Today, pumpkin pie.
Dai made some ginger jam, some plum jam. Hi, Becky.
Hi.
Thank you so much for coming today.
Oh, it's great. Thank you. It's a beautiful day.
Wish you. Hi, Brandon.
Hello.
How are you doing?
It's very good. How are you?
Good. You got some beautiful stuff. Some bamboo jewelry. Hello, Ishwar Bhai.
Welcome to our store.
Thank you so much, Dave, for this opportunity.
My pleasure.
We are very happy.
Sudhin Bhai. Namaste.
Deliver the local product to people doorstep, having our organic taste, and also supporting the Nepal's farmer, delivering the strawberry, avocado, kiwi. Thank you so much.
Keep supporting Alu Tarka, you know.
Hi, Rasmila.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Say something about your product.
This is all our handmade. सब hand doodle हो, hand lettered हो, handmade gifts हो सबै है.
Okay.
अझ customized gift or decor item हरु पनि बन्छ.
भन्छ है.
Follow me on Instagram. It's Rashcraft.
Hi, Sabina.
Hi, Dee.
Do you want to say something about your products?
मेरो चाहिँ ड्रिम क्याचर अल ह्यान्डमेड कसरी फर्म भएको भने चाहिँ लाइक सुरुमा चाहिँ हाम्रो घरमा एकदम धेरै कुखुरा काट्ने के लाइक द्याट
Oh no.
अनि फेदर्सहरू चाहिँ वेस्ट गइरहेको थियो मैले चाहिँ यसलाई केही गर्छु भनेर अनि द्याट्स हाउ इट स्टार्टेड फलो मी अन नोरा ड्रिम क्याचर अन इन्स्टाग्राम
So pretty. Hi, Sophia.
हेलो
आफैले बनाएको किम्ची हो.
हजुर हामी सबै घरमा मिलेर बनाउँछौँ आन्टी मम्मीहरूमा मिलेर बनाउँछौँ घरमै
कति भयो किम्ची बनाउन थाले?
किम्ची चाहिँ पहिलाबाट बनाउँथ्यो तर त्यसरी बेच्थेन अनि यो बेचेको चाहिँ लाइक 2 मन्थ्स हुन लाग्यो
अरू कहाँ बेच्छ?
अरू यही हाम्रै पेजबाट मात्र हो कि
From the online page बाट.
हजुर, हजुर.
How nice.
Thank you.
I can't wait to try it. मैले
Thank you.
चिमा देखेको थिएँ. Look us here. हाम्रो बिरे दाई and राजकुमारी भाउजू.
cheese, bread. It's a perfect match like dal on bat. धेरै खुसी छु. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद for the Christmas market also.
Cheers!
Shot.
Welcome, Poonam. You're going to be in my vlog.
Thank you very much. It's a great market, right?
Right?
Wow, wonderful.
Thanks for coming, supporting, encouraging. My favorite Baini, Subhashna Gurum.
Hello.
A Zumba instructor, an amazing Zumba instructor. Some of the products are so amazing. I can't wait to get my hands on some of them. I already know what I'm getting. And the bakery, oh my god, my weakness. Namaste, Vanus.
Biredai and Bauju, thank you so much. This is one of the most beautiful gifts I got for Christmas. You two are awesome. Respect.
We love gifts.
Hi, beautiful. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Good. Thanks for coming. Good to see you too.
Look at this.
Birida and Bauju got some cake for Dorje. His birthday was on December 18th. What a pleasant surprise!
Cappuccino, Bauju?
Hi, Raju bhai.
Hello, Didi.
So where's your store? Store ka cha?
Siddhartha Chowk, UFO Gully side. Care complex.
His store is called Beans Bucket in Siddhartha Chowk. Healthy nuts. So it's about 2 o'clock. We still have a couple hours to go. The turnout has been great so far. Shop local. There are some great stuffs for you. If you still have not done your last minute Christmas shopping or haven't bought your New Year's gifts, this would be a great place and opportunity for you guys to do so. We would really appreciate it.
Hey, ladies. Release हुन्छ भन्ने. Yeah. And do like and subscribe and comment down below.
What's my channel?
Yours truly, Jane.
Hi, Sushmita.
Hello, Dee. Long time.
Okay, babe. What do you like so far? What's your favorite?
Well, I like the atmosphere, but beside the atmosphere, I would love to get this free sugar yogurt.
Sugar-free yogurt, you mean?
Yes.
You want that?
Yes.
Let's get some. Let's get some. Store-bought yogurt have sugar in them nowadays. धेरै चिनी हालेको हुन्छ दहीमा, and we like the sugar-free ones better.
Oh my god, you're so cute. Hi.
Hi, thanks for coming, Rosina.
Thank you so much.
Merry guys.
Avocados for her. It's her favorite.
Thank you, Rosina. I love avocados, guys. If you have some avocados in your house or in your garden or whatever, bring me some. I love avocados. They are my favorite.
See?
Did you find something for you?
Yeah, I already brought something, and they have avocado, they have prawn, and they have cookies. Thank you for organizing it, and I have great time.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Didi.
Hello, very handsome Bayaru. Nice, Ashish bhai. Did you find something? Can someone bet you?
Cheese.
Nice. Lax bhai, long time no see.
Very long time.
Right? Enjoy, enjoy. Raju bhai, how was your sales today?
सेल्स हाम्रो राम्रो भयो नि सोचेको भन्दा राम्रो भयो
सोचेको भन्दा राम्रो.
हजुर
Okay, good. How was your sales today?
इट वाज रियली नाइस अनि त्यो सेल पनि भयो अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ अरू चाहिँ कस्तो भन्दाखेरि इन्भाइरोमेन्ट एकदम रमाइलो लाग्यो मलाई होइन
है।
सब हरेक कुराको मार्केटहरू हेर्न पायो अनि मलाई चाहिँ केही इनोभेटिभ थट्स आयो क्या केही सिक्न पाएँ मैले होइन त्यो चाहिँ एकदम खुसी लाग्यो अनि थ्याङ्क यू दिदी होइन यो इभेन्टको लागि चाहिँ म एकदम खुसी छु
Well, that was the whole purpose of this event, to give you a platform and आफ्नो सामान showcase गर्नको लागि.
हजुर, हजुर.
So yeah, I'm very happy for you.
Actually, it's our first time, and we're really happy. We really enjoyed.
Yes. Did you make a little bit of sales today?
Yeah, we did. Also, another opportunity for us to
Yeah.
get exposed with different environments. So thank you very much. We look forward for such events.
Yes, of
Again,
course.
farmer market.
Yeah, I do farmers market also. I also organize farmers market in Pokhara in Lakeside. We haven't done it this year because of the corona, but in 2021 we'll also resume the farmers market. I really hope to see you guys and all the vendors here today, and we really need your support, guys, to keep these markets going and to encourage our local vendors. Please try to make it here at Dorjes farmers market as well. I'm finally getting my Madeleine. I waited for the last minute, hoping you would sell out, so I didn't have to eat it.
This is the last call.
Yeah.
Really nice Christmas market. We are really happy because in France and in Nepal, we love Christmas spirit.
Thank you, Zen Didi.
From French Creperie, very good little restaurant. How was your experience?
It was really good actually. So we sold around 25 plants, so which is really good. Yeah.
25 plants?
And
that's
from the
awesome.
25 share our ideas about plants and dogs. So
That's nice. So a portion of the sales goes to the street dogs, right?
Yes.
That's so nice. I mean, I have yet to buy some, so I'm going to buy one of your plants right now. Yeah.
I'm intrigued.
Alright guys, it's about 4:45. We stayed 45 minutes extra. The Christmas market is about to close. All those who came today, thank you so much. Those who could not make it today, there's always next year. A lot of vendors are very happy. Some of them sold a lot of stuff. Some sold just enough. Some of them were for great causes. If you liked anything you saw today, let me know in the comments below and I'll send you the contacts.
Thank you for this market. It was awesome. Handmade ring from Nepal.
And also the French. See you soon.
That's all for this vlog today. A wonderful, wonderful day here at Dorjes Christmas Market. Please subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, share with your friends. I will be posting more events happening locally in Pokhara. And that's it. I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, you take care of yourself and your loved ones.